How to check Southwest Airlines flight status. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Southwest Airlines website, or you can simply open the app. After you open the app, log into your account or click on Continue as Guest. Then click on My Trips at the bottom. After you've clicked on My Trips, here you'll find Flight Status. Simply click on Flight Status. Then select your departure airport and then select Arrival Airport. Select date, flight number if you know. If not, you can simply press on Search. And after you do that, you'll find all these options. Simply select the one that is your flight. And from here, you will be able to check the flight status if it's arrived on time. And this is how to check Southwest Airlines flight status. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.